Hey, welcome back, guys. We posted here a few weeks ago a video on the Brevete Reform Pistol out of Germany. And today, thought we'd actually try our hand at shooting this thing. I'm standing here at about 15 feet. You've heard pocket pistol and belly gun before. This is the true definition. Not a real accurate weapon, so we'll see if I can hit anything. It's 25 ACP. You strictly just lift the barrel assembly out. And then as I'm shooting this, I want you to watch. The brass will come back out at me as I shoot this thing. So hopefully my cameraman can catch all this. And that's the problem with this thing. Let's try again here. If you had to depend on this thing in a gunfight, I hope you were close. Hey! I hit it. It's leaking, but see, it didn't even have enough power to knock the bottle off its perch. That time it did. Let's try the other one more time. So, as you can see, this thing is not the most accurate weapon in the world, and the brass comes flying out, but not that I reload a lot of 25 ACP. Okay, one more time. I got 3 rounds left here. It will shoot double action, so let me show you that. Sometimes. And then it doesn't shoot at all. Let's pull it back. So you can see it ain't the most accurate weapon in the world, but it's more of a collectible and a curiosity than it is anything for defense in today's market. But you can see why they weren't real popular. Just wanted to show you that it does shoot and show you it working. And we thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it.